everyone, I hope you are all doing well now. My name is Natasha Legata Manulang with NIM 0022241019. And now, I want to show you guys the result of my presentation about the case for strategic management accounting, the role of accounting information for strategy in competitive markets, article by Mikhail Bromwich. I hope you enjoy about my presentation, guys. But before starting the presentation, I have a rhyme for all of you who are watching, guys. As dawn breaks with a golden light, we gather here to share insight. With number clear and purpose strong, strategy shall lead us all along. Okay guys, here we will start from the table of contents, which is divided into 6 parts. Namely, the first is introduction, 2 method, 3 data, 4 finding, and 5 discussion, and next conclusion. Okay guys, starting from the first introduction, it is divided into 4 parts. The first is the topic, the second is reason, the three is literature review, and the fourth thesis statement. The topic have two problems, the first issue and the second subject matter. Issue is global competition demands ancient firm competitiveness. New technologies necessitate reform accounting practice. Conventional accounting methods inadequately reflect modern production and citing method internal focus neglect market-driven strategies. And guys, we can see in the subject matter section, which is marked in red light, management accounting, market challenge, firms competitive, development, strategic management accounting, in corporate market and competitor analysis. And the reason is a review of two economy theories is utilized to provide theoretical support for the greater possible involvement by accountants in what has been called strategic management accounting. And the literature review, the first theory said products are valued for their attributes. The first, accountants should analysis attribute cost to distilling product strategy and cost structure. The second theory said constatable markets. The first focus on how cost structure impact a firm's strategy sustainability to highlight the importance of cost advantage. Three, both theories emphasize the need the market-oriented information. And last, thesis statement. The analysis argues for a broader role for management accounting. It should frame in responding to competition and changing customer demands. Strategic management accounting should provide information on firms' market, competitor costs and strategic, monitoring firms and competitors' strategies over time, and ultimately, strategic management accounting helps firms achieve sustainable competitive advantage. And now we explain method and data. This article uses a review of exciting economy theories to build a case for strategic management accounting. Two main economic theories are examined to support the idea that accountants should be more involved in strategic decision making. First theory focus. This theory looks at the basic characteristic of products within a market. It suggests the accountants need to understand the cost structure of their own company, competitors, and potential new entrants. Importantly, it highlights the cost and customer demand are connected and should not be considered separately. And second theory focus, this theory explores whether a company's cost structure allows its chosen market strategy to face, especially when new companies might enter the market. Again, this theory emphasizes the link between demand and cost and the need to analyze them together. The review of these theories aim to provide a strong theoretical basis for the increasing importance of strategic management accounting in competitive markets. Finding. I have 4 findings in this article. Finding first, cost analysis beyond the firm. To make good strategies, business should analyze not only their own costs but also the cost of their rivals and possible new companies enters the market. Finding two, cost and demand are linked. When making strategic decisions about costs, companies must also consider what drives customer demands and how much customers are willing to pay. Finding three, sustainable market strategy and cost structure. For a business to maintain its position in this market, its cost structure must align with its overall strategy and be able to handle potential challenges from competitors. Finding 5. Importance for global competitiveness. To succeed against international competition, companies need to use strategic management accounting to gain insight and make informed decisions. And next, guys, discussion. I have two paragraph in this. This paper highlight that thinking about cost and market factor together, which is what strategic management accounting does, need to be a core element of a company overall strategy. The article suggests the contents should not to just record numbers but should also help management understand what this number means for the company strategy and its position against. And paragraph 2, the paper argued the successful strategy come from looking at both what if cost to make a product and what customers are willing to pay for it. That discussion suggests that the principles of strategic management accounting are particularly relevant in high technology, manufacturing, and other markets with intense competition. And last, guys, conclusion. I have two paragraph too. It has been suggested that there may be a role for accountants in helping to provide information for strategic decision making and for the monitoring for strategies. It was argued that some of the information requirements of the two economic theories review can be provided by accountants who adopt a strategic perspective. For a firm strategy to be sustainable, it was shown to require the enterprise process cost advantage over its rivals and expected to retain this advantage in the future. With this view, accountants should not restrict their attention to the cost structure of the firms for which they work. And the paragraph 2, they additionally need to focus on the cost structures of all of firms in the market and those likely to enter the market. This provides important support for the concern of practicing accountants who seek to find reporting methods which better reflect the economic effect of fixed costs. Finally, the importance of reporting sunk costs was suggested because of their possible role in creating barriers to entry. The analysis presented in this article suggests that there may be strong theoretical reason for urging the greater adoptions of strategic management accounting. I found the conclusion in last paragraph at the paper article. Okay guys, so that's all the result of my presentation. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for your attention, Mas Patrick and all friends. Bye bye.